I had a strange experience where I had this microwave, and I remember the button didn't work. Center of the button. So why was the button not working? So every time you put food in there and you know press the button combinations, beep 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 beep, it almost feels like you're trying to fuse a bomb. And when you're done, you know, microwave does this thing, you know, it spins the food around like some sort of freaking infomercial showcase. And as soon as it's done, it beeps. Really obnoxiously, like beep. It's like, alright, I got it, beep. Okay, I get it, beep. I mean, it's been there for a fucking minute. I didn't forget about it. I'm hungry. That's why I put it in the fucking microwave. But the problem is that the microwave doesn't work. Well, it doesn't work, so how am I supposed to get the food out? You flip the fuck out of the freaking microwave button, but nothing happens. It just keeps beeping at you, like beep, beep. Your food's done. I can't get it fucking open, or else it gets such error. Now here's my theory. I feel like some guy tried having penile intercourse with my microwave, but ended up selling it back because he thought it was fucking impossible, but in fact it was fucking impossible. And so now I got this fucking microwave that doesn't fucking work. So what am I supposed to do? I'm gonna have to break it open just so I can get my friggin' microwavable pizza out of there. Oh my god, it sucks.